Here I have HUAWEI Mate 10 Lite. Let me show you how to set up the SIM card lock on the following device. So basically let me show you how to set the pin by using the following device. Let's find and select the settings. Here you have to scroll down to security and privacy. Let's choose additional settings and tap set SIM lock. So you can enable the lock SIM card by using the following switcher. Let's enter your old pin to confirm the operation, and right now your pin requires a pin to use. You can also change SIM pin by using the following options. Let's input the old one, and if you would like to now you can use the new one. Just confirm it twice and that's it. Sorry, let me enter correct pin. Alright, and as you can see, you may also simply disable the lock SIM card by using the same switcher and just by inputting the pin to confirm it, and that's it. Now your SIM doesn't require a pin protection. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.